everyone, and we're back for 2021. We've done a lot of things so far, changed up the desk, unboxed lots of gadgets, and we've made videos that we haven't put out yet. But for now, just a quick life update. I've been 6 months into work. It's been kind of hectic lately, hence no videos, but I'll make sure to get back on track. I think it's just a matter of adjusting into the work-life YouTube balance, and it's getting kind of hard trying to manage all of these loads. But today, we have something from a really cool company, and since tech unboxings is something that I really can't ignore, I wanted to unbox this one with you guys for the meantime while we try to catch up with everything that work's giving me. So here's a package from our friends at EcoMax Philippines, and since I do a lot of videos on tech that helped us during the pandemic, such as the face mask video, the air purifier, they shared me this cool tech, which is another wearable purifier that I really wanted to share with you guys. So let's unbox it. So, hi Byron, thank you so much for allowing us to send this to you. Hope you enjoy it. From EcoMax Philippines. So thank you EcoMax Philippines, and let's unbox this. So what I really like about this package from the get-go is the premium box. They did tell me that this is going to be a premium product, and this actually sells for 8,795 pesos if I'm not mistaken. Ible here at the top, and this is the Airvida M1 model, which is a necklace, which you see here. I got it in black, and there are 2 different sizes. I think I got the smaller one. So this is a wearable ionic air purifier, and the main reason why we actually get these purifiers for the Airvida M1, for example, is that it actually emits a negative charge to the positively charged bacteria, which allows for the bacteria to fall instead of heading towards to you. So this is why people usually wear these wearable purifiers on their necks. Before we unbox this product, I just wanted to tell you guys that generally, I'm not really fond of wearing these air purifiers on my neck. I find it too chunky. I mean, there's this huge thing that's hanging on your neck all the time. But the moment I laid my eyes on the Airvida M1, I was immediately sold, and I actually wanted a pair for myself. So here we have it. Now let's get on to the unboxing. So I believe that anyone can actually wear this. Anyone that just wants to breathe better in general and have that peace of mind of safety. Alright, so we have the manual over here. Serial number to say that it's legit. Airvida M1. Ooh, dude, looks nice. So we have the Airvida M1 over here, and let's unbox it. Whoa! They actually have this SIM ejector tool, which is exactly the same as the one for the iPhone. That's pretty cool. I wonder what that's for. But let's lift this first. Alright, so besides the SIM ejector tool, what's this? I have no idea what this is for the meantime, but we'll find out. And we have the charging cable, micro USB. So we have the air purifier itself. Very tiny, unlike the huge purifiers that we see hanging on people's neck nowadays. Then this is basically the necklace. It feels like it's leather. Then there's this copper finish on the end, which I absolutely love. Whoa! And it's magnetic. So that's pretty cool. So magnets make it really, really easy to wear. Wow, and you don't even have to look. And the magnet's actually really, really strong. So if you're moving a lot, or if you're gonna use this for your morning exercise, this is surely not gonna fall. It's pretty secure if you ask me. Okay, so let's assemble it and see how this thing works. So we got the air purifier over here, and it's actually connected to this charging dock, which I find absolutely cool. So when you're gonna put it on your desk, you just have to leave it here and plug in the micro USB straight away. That's absolutely convenient. Then when you're on the go, you just grab the purifier, grab the necklace, put it in. So convenient if you ask me. So I'm not sure if it actually looks good right now, and I'm not sure if it's blocking the mic. Coming from the box, it was really circular, so it might take a while for the form of the necklace to take place. But anyways, I find that it looks really cool if you ask me. And in my opinion, I really have this struggle of trying to be as protective as I can, putting on all of these protective gear. But at the end of the day, it might take a while. So products like these, very seamless. I find it really hassle-free, and it really entices you to use it more, be more protected, and hassle-free ways with this magnet. So imagine this. I start the day, about to go out, I clip on my air purifier, bam! And when I'm home, after a tiring day of barely breathing with my face mask and my face shield here in the Philippines, I just have to head to my desk, break this thing off, and put it back to the dock. And that's absolutely seamless if you ask me. That's a great product from EcoMax Philippines. So, who is this Airvida M1 for? So, they have a bunch of products, EcoMax Philippines, and I chose this necklace. I find that this is for people who want to go out and jog, exercise, and this can also be for people with allergies. This is really one of the most seamless ways to combat that. And super convenient because this Airvida M1 actually houses a 28-hour battery life. So you don't have to worry about charging it every single day if you're not going to be using it every single day. So you just have to turn on the on switch over here and it's good to go. So when it's glowing blue, you know that it's on. So just make sure to turn it off. Then when you're done with the day, you can just head back to your charging dock and put it back in. That's so convenient, and the charging dock is even magnetic to make sure that the purifier is in place. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll make sure to leave a link down below of the Airvida M1 if you want to get your hands on one. It looks absolutely clean if you ask me. And give me a few more weeks to finalize my other videos, and I'm sure you guys won't be disappointed. And I'll see you guys on the next one.